Hey everyone, today I want to show you one of my Blender add-ons. I've created many add-ons and scripts for my personal use, and currently most are not exactly user-friendly, but I'm working on polishing them up to share with you. Today's add-on is called Join as Pose. I developed the core idea while working on a video about additive animations in Unreal Engine. And it is pretty straightforward. It applies the rest pose from one skeleton, the source skeleton, as a keyframe to another target skeleton. I know I'm not always the best at explaining things verbally, so let me just show you. Here are three skeletons with identically named bones. The target skeleton doesn't have any frame key. I can either create a key for the original pose manually or check rest key option. Now I select the source skeletons first. You can select multiple skeletons at once. Then the target skeleton, choose the frame when you want to start and hit Join as Pose. A new keys are created. The first one is the original rest pose because we ticked rest keyframe option. The second one is the rest pose of this skeleton, and then the rest pose of the other skeleton. So we have a transition between poses replicating the rest pose of the source skeleton. So it is quite simple. Let's recap to reinforce the result. You need to select one or more source skeletons that you want to attach as poses to another, then select the target skeleton to which you want to add these poses. It should be the active object. Lock rotation keeps the original rotations of the target skeleton. Lock scale keeps the original scales of the target skeleton. Rest key creates an additional key with the original rest pose of the target skeleton. And frame step sets the interval between poses. I hope it's clear enough. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.